Starting a new business is an exciting but challenging endeavor that requires careful planning, strategy, and resilience. The journey begins with a solid business idea that solves a real problem or fulfills a market need. In this video, we are sharing 20 business ideas for 2025. Number 1. Smart Kitchen Appliance Store. Sell AI-enabled kitchen gadgets that simplify cooking, like smart ovens, air fryers, and coffee makers. Number 2. Green Home Improvement Service. Offer services to help homeowners make eco-friendly upgrades such as solar installations and installation. Number 3. Augmented reality-based travel guide. Create an AR app that enhances travel experiences with the on-the-spot historical and cultural insights. Number 4. Fitness challenges and competitions platform. Offer a platform where users can join fitness challenges, track progress, and win rewards. Number 5. Biometric data privacy platform. Provide tools to help people secure and control access to their biometric data. Number 6. Digital Nomad Community Platform. Create a platform where digital nomads can connect, share resources, and find accommodations. Number 7. Portable Water Purifier Rental Service. Offer rentals of portable water purifiers for travelers and outdoor adventurers. Number 8. On-demand beauty and spa services at home. Launch an app to book beauticians and spa professionals for home visits. Number 9. Biometric smart locks and security systems. Design biometric security systems for homes and small businesses. Number 10. AI-based handwriting analysis tool. Develop a tool that analyzes handwriting to offer insights into personality and mood. Number 11. Mobile gaming accessories. Develop accessories for mobile gamers such as cooling grips and ergonomic stands. Number 12. AI-driven relationship coaching. Use AI to provide tailored relationship advice based on communication patterns and personality traits. Number 13. Sleep optimization products. Develop products designed to improve sleep quality, such as specialized lighting, sound machines, and sleep tracking devices. Number 14. Electric bicycle rental service. Offer a subscription-based e-bike rental service in urban areas. Number 15. Vertical farming solutions. Offer kits and consulting for indoor vertical farming setups for homes, offices, and urban spaces. Number 16. Skill-based community platform. Create a community platform where people can learn, teach, and trade skills with an emphasis on hands-on and practical learning. Number 17. Eco-friendly baby products. Create a line of environmentally friendly baby products like biodegradable diapers and organic baby food. Number 18. Personal finance coaching for Gen Z. Develop finance coaching and content tailored to Gen Z, focusing on debt management, savings, and investments. Number 19. Metaverse interior design services. Design virtual spaces for clients in the metaverse for meetings, personal use, or exhibitions. And number 20. Personalized guided meditation service. Offer a subscription-based service with personalized meditation tracks and guidance. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching.